Hello friends, and welcome to this new video. Today it's a good day because I suggest you make a delicious cold pasta salad with shrimps with its delicious creamy mayochup sauce. We start by making the mayochup sauce. In a round dish put the egg yolk, mustard, white vinegar, salt, and mix well. Then we will add the oil little by little, as for a classic mayonnaise. When it's finished, add the tomato coulis, then the honey. We blend. Add the prawns, then chives and basil. Onion, mozzarella in small cubes, green peppers and fresh tomato, especially well drained. We mix it all well. And add the cooked pasta, refreshed and well drained. Mix and serve well chilled. Good appetite, my friends. See you very soon.